The model says, loan denied. The applicant asks why. You look at the output, a single number, 0.3. You have no idea which features drove that decision. Neither does your model, as far as anyone can see. Hi, I am Mahaz, an AI engineer. Last episode, models decay after deployment, PSI and KS tests catch it early. Today, opening the black box, SHAP values in Lime, explained from scratch. Episode 33, Explainable Machine Learning, SHAP in Lime. A model trained to maximize accuracy is often a black box. You put features in one end. A prediction comes out the other. What happened in the middle? For a random forest or gradient booster, nobody knows. That's fine in a Kaggle competition. It's a serious problem in production. Healthcare. Which symptoms made the model flag this patient? Finance. Which factors caused the loan denial? Legal. In many regions, automated decisions affecting people must be explainable by law. Explainability is not just a nice-to-have. For high-stakes ML, it's a requirement. Explainability means being able to say which features mattered for a specific prediction. Global explainability. Across all predictions, which features does the model rely on most? Local explainability. For this one prediction, why did the model give that specific answer? Global helps you audit the model for bias and understand its overall behavior. Local helps you justify a specific decision to a specific person. SHAP and Lime both provide local explanations. SHAP also scales to global ones. SHAP stands for Shapley additive explanations. It comes from cooperative game theory, specifically from Shapley values. The idea: treat each feature as a player in a game. The prediction is the total prize. A Shapley value answers, how much did this player contribute to the prize? It does this fairly, averaging the feature's contribution across every possible ordering of features. A positive SHAP value pushes the prediction higher. Negative pushes it lower. The sum of all SHAP values for a prediction equals the difference between that prediction and the dataset average. That additivity property is what makes SHAP mathematically rigorous and trustworthy. 2 SHAP plots you'll use constantly. The waterfall plot. One prediction, 1 bar per feature. Red bars push the prediction up. Blue bars push it down. Bars are sorted by absolute magnitude, biggest impact at the top. You can read it out loud. Income pushed the prediction up by 0.18. Age pulled it down by 0.11. The summary plot, or beeswarm, shows SHAP values across all predictions. Each dot is one data point. Position on the x-axis shows direction and magnitude. Color shows whether the feature value was high or low. You instantly see global patterns. Lime stands for Local Interpretable Model Agnostic Explanations. Model agnostic means it works with any classifier, not just tree-based ones. The core idea, around one specific prediction, perturb the input slightly. Generate many slightly different versions of that input and ask the black box to score them all. Fit a simple linear model to those scores. That linear model is locally accurate. The coefficients of that linear model are your explanation for this one prediction. Lime is local. It only guarantees accuracy near the point you're explaining. A few steps away, the linear approximation may no longer hold. That's its fundamental limitation. SHAP versus Lime. When to use which? SHAP has strong mathematical guarantees from game theory. Lime is a useful heuristic. SHAP is slower on very large datasets because it evaluates many feature coalitions. Lime is faster for a quick local explanation on any model type. SHAP scales naturally to global explanations. Just average or plot all local values. Lime is purely local. Getting global insight requires running it many times and aggregating carefully. Default choice, SHAP, especially with tree-based models where tree SHAP runs in linear time. Use Lime when you need a fast, model-agnostic local explanation and don't need global consistency. SHAP in Python, 4 lines to get started. Train any sklearn model. Import SHAP. Create a SHAP explainer. It auto-detects the best algorithm for your model type. Call it on your test set. You get a matrix of SHAP values, 1 row per sample, 1 column per feature. Pass one row to SHAP.plots.waterfall to explain a single prediction instantly. Pass the full matrix to SHAP.summary_plot to see global feature importance in one chart. That's the complete workflow. Train, explain, plot, under 20 lines total. Lime in Python, also straightforward. Pip install Lime. Import Lime tabular explainer. Create an explainer with your training data and feature names. Call explain_instance with a single row you want to explain and your model's predict_proba. The result has an as_list method that returns feature contribution pairs, easy to read or plot. Call show_notebook or as_plot_figure for an instant visual. Lime generates many perturbed samples behind the scenes. More samples means a more stable explanation. Common explainability mistakes. Treating SHAP feature importance as causation. High SHAP value means correlation, not cause. Using Lime with too few perturbed samples, the explanation becomes unstable and inconsistent. Explaining the model instead of the data. SHAP tells you about the model's behavior, not the ground truth. Showing SHAP plots to stakeholders without labeling axes. Nobody reads unlabeled bar charts. Skipping explainability until something goes wrong. Build it in from the start. If this helped, subscribe. Interview questions is next. Quick recap. Black box models can't explain their predictions, a problem in high-stakes domains. SHAP, game theory-based, additive, mathematically rigorous, works locally and globally. Lime, model agnostic, fast, local only, fits a simple linear model near one prediction. Default to SHAP for tree models. Use Lime when you need speed or model agnosticism. 4 lines of code, and you can explain any sklearn prediction, feature by feature. Episode 34, Top Machine Learning Interview Questions Answered. The most asked ML interview questions, bias variance, regularization, overfitting, all explained clearly. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Challenge task. Apply SHAP to any trained sklearn model. Generate a waterfall plot for one prediction and identify the top 3 features driving it. Then generate a beeswarm summary plot for global importance. Solution in the repo. Post your waterfall plot screenshot in the comments. A model you can't explain is a model you can't defend. SHAP and Lime don't make your model smarter. They make you smarter about your model. Feature by feature. Prediction by prediction. That's how you go from a number to an answer. Episode 34, Top ML Interview Questions, drops next. Subscribe. Have you ever had to explain a model prediction to a non-technical person? Tell me below. See you in the next one.